And then we're coming up into the parking lot here, yielding to oncoming traffic here. And once they pass by, I make my left turn. And then just finishing off with a reverse stall park on the right. So I line up my knee with that line on the ground. We're going to signal to the left, steer all the way to the left, shoulder check left. If it's clear, I go forward until that line that was touching my knee ends up in the corner of my window there, in that corner there. Signal the other way, I put it into reverse, steer all the way to the right. We do a 360 check. If it's clear, I look out this back window, looking to the side mirror, around me, back window, waiting for that line to be parallel with the body of my car in that side mirror there. Ready to go. Straighten out the steering wheel back to center, look around. Walk it back until I feel like I'm sitting in the middle of the stalls here next to me, so right about there, and I park the car, and that's that.